Alright, what's up bros? Simon here, Toby Bro. Gonna do a little Milspec Motorsports grade iPhone charger. I got one here. That's what they look like. This one's in process, but I'm gonna go through the whole how-to. I'm gonna put DR25 heat shrink on it and a little bit of SCL on each end to keep it like rock solid. It's really ruggedized these things. You can pull them out and it's got a bunch of strain relief. So here's the process. 1/4 inch DR25, and I want to measure that to 104 centimeters. I don't know what that is in inches, but I'll show you here right quick. So it's about 41 inches. So we'll just cut that there. Then we're going to undo the cord. You're going to want to get this stuff so it's kind of back to its round shape, not from the flat shape, because it will be difficult to get that lightning connector all the way through. But there we go. So you're going to need one of these. This is apple grade. It's only the best we're going to use. This will be below, but you basically make sure you got the writing going the right way for all your ADD people out there. And then we're just going to slide it down. Shoot, it's going to get caught up there, but let's see how it goes. The straighter you can keep this, the easier. And try to push as much as you can. And when you can't push anymore, you're going to have to pull. Let's see if we can get it through there. Yeah, just push it over about an inch and then pull it back down. It's a bit tedious, but you'll get it. Next step, fire up the heat gun. You don't want to do this too hot because we don't have like a Motorsports Tepsil wire inside of this. It's got nice little thin wires and plastic, so keep it at a low temperature. I'm going to try it about, first pass about 400. Just to get it all down, and then we're going to go back over it a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to start here in the middle. Keep it low and then just keep rotating it. And you can see it shrink down pretty nice. So because it's a bit long, I pull it down over there and then give it a little heat shrink there. And then you can't go back over the lightning. And you're good to go. And then shrink it down and you're going to have a little bit of an excess, but it will work out. Do the USB maybe a tad longer. It's going to group, shrink down a little cleaner at the end. So this can actually slide over the USB, so it's no big deal. And I like to leave about 1 millimeter there just in case something's really tight. You have a bit of space. So this goes later. We're going to put the label next. So I'll show you the label maker and get that out. And then over the label maker we put the clear. It's a Dymo Rhino brand, and we've got in there a 12 millimeter yellow heat shrink. So I got the text already added in there. I'm going to make this one 2992. So there you go, Can-Am 2992. This one can stay in the Can-Am for the phone, whatever. So we're going to add the clear. Got the heat shrink on there, got the label on there. Do the clear about 1 millimeter longer. There you go. So we're good to go. We're going to put back on here a little mock-up boot, and we'll be good to go to shrink this one down. So I'm going to hit the label. This one's adhesive line, it's got glue, so it will keep all the dirt out. The little gun definitely does a better job. I did a couple with the big gun. It's much better with the little gun. Nice boot. It's not gonna go anywhere. Rock solid. And then I'll just do one more pass over the whole cord. So that's basically it. If you want one, I'll sell you one for 75 bucks shipped. Or if you want to make your own, make your own. I'll put a link to buy all the stuff in the bottom. So thanks for watching.